Today we're cooking carne asada. This marinade for the carne asada has about 2 limes in it. It's got cilantro, maybe just a bunch of cilantro in your hand like this, about a half an onion, about 3 cloves of garlic, and you just eyeball about a tablespoon of each of your spices. And I'll show you the spices in a minute. And you put it in the blender, blend it all up, and then you put it in your beef that you've already cut and washed with a little bit of salt. And before you put your blended ingredients in here, you're going to put a little bit of the spices on the meat and rub them on, and then you're going to put the liquefied concoction on it that I just described with the lime, the cilantro, onion, garlic, and spices. And you put, I forgot, green pepper. Now we're cooking the carne asada right here. As you can see, I've heated my oil and I put some meat in there. Simple, okay? And you're going to cook it on both sides until it's very brown, the color of the oil, okay? You can do it here in your oil, or if you're trying to be healthy, you can also do it in the stove on broil, okay? You would set your stove to broil and you would cook it until you get the right color, okay? And if you have something that would help with cooking stuff in the store, it would look kind of like this. That would help with this in your stove, okay? But today I've chosen this, okay? And we're cooking our carne asada, and I'll show you the spices. Of course, salt. Salt is pretty common. You can find these spices in a Save-A-Lot. A lot of times they have them in Save-A-Lot or your local tienda. You can look on Google and just spell Tienda, and you can go there and buy these and practice your Spanish. Okay, this is carne de res. These are all that makes everything so flavorful, okay? And I also put this one in there because I just found it and I loved it. But I haven't seen this spice in the tiendas. I shop at the tiendas, which is the Hispanic stores. But I found this one in a tienda in Winchester, Kentucky, okay? Close to my parents. So, these 3 spices, you can also put other spices in there, such as they have another one for chicken that you can put in there. It's a different one other than this one. They also have, let's see, this is also a good spice if you want to add that, okay? I just did these 3 along with cilantro, onion, garlic, lime, and green pepper, and a little bit of water, okay? This marinade has too much water. I don't usually put that much water in there, but that's got too much water, okay? This one was on discount. You can see that it's $3. This is not normally $3. This is about $6 or $7, and so are the others, okay? But that one was on sale because sometimes they go on sale if they're going to be expired in the next month. Okay, and then we're going to start flipping this. It looks nice and browned around the edges. So you see how that color is coming in? That's what you want your carne asada to look like. But we're going to get the whole thing looking like that. But I am going to flip it right now, just so that we can get the other part cooked a little more. And I always add more meat because now that the meat is cooking, it's getting smaller and we can add more. Okay. You want it all to look this brown color, but not burnt. You're just going to get it all nice and dark. Okay, so we're going to add some more meat here. And you can use your leftover sauce for seasoning for rice or soup or whatever you want. I'm going to use it to make a bean soup. Okay, here in a minute. So, let's keep adding that. Okay. And that's easy. That's how you do carne asada. Like I said, this is in oil. And we're going to get it all done until all of this meat is a nice dark color, like these dark colors here. We don't want any of that. Okay, so I'm going to keep frying it until it gets darker. This part gets darker. And I might keep flipping it. Okay? Alright. So that's today's video. Please like and subscribe if you would like. And now I'm going to do our video in Spanish. For those that are practicing Spanish, this is a good chance to listen to some Spanish. And for those of you that only speak Spanish, I'm sorry for the very first part. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hoy yo estoy cocinando carne asada. Yo preparo mi asada en the refrigerator por 24 horas. Yo pongo especies y chile dulce y cilantro y cebolla y ajo en una licuadora. Y después yo pongo en un traste con la carne asada. Pero primero yo pongo un poquito de especies con la carne asada y después yo pongo la licuado cosas y yo pongo en el refrigerator por 24 horas. Cilantro, ajo, cebolla, chile dulce, limón y especies. Y las especies aquí tú puedes comprar en la tienda cerca para ti, ¿ok? Especies de pollo, sal y especies por carne asada de res y especies por el pescado. Normalmente yo no uso las especies por pescado, pero yo me gusta el flavor. Entonces yo estoy cocinando con 7, pero tú puedes poner la carne en la estufa. Y puedes poner aquí, con esta cosa aquí, y cocinando en la estufa, pero yo quiero las especies, la carne aquí. Y tiene que cocinar por toda la carne, está así, más café. Entonces yo estoy cocinando toda la carne y la carne está más café aquí, pero no aquí, pero aquí yo quiero este color aquí y este final. Entonces tiene buen día y like, subscribe, tu quieres, y perdón por el inglés y gracias por escuchando.